Good morning and happy Monday, May 11th. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I know some of the weather was kind of cold, but I know we're supposed to be getting some warmer weather coming up, which is awesome. Happy Mother's Day to many of your moms out there. So grateful for everything that our moms do for us. And we are going to have an awesome Monday today. So let's talk about what you're going to do. Today, you're going to start off with math. We are on lesson 92, which is dividing numbers by two-digit numbers, okay? So you're going to be dividing by two-digit numbers today. A couple things about that. Number one, you can go to your textbook, read through the pages. It's pages 604 through 607. They'll work through some problems, show you how to complete them, how to process that. But the other thing you need to do is go online, go to LMS and go to math. In the math section, go to lesson 92. You're going to see some videos that I posted there that will also help you comprehend and be able to use this concept very easily. So read the pages, watch the video, and then you're going to show me if you understand by doing your homework. So you're going to be doing written practice pages 254 through 256. That is in your workbook. Your written practice workbook pages, okay? It's 3 pages. You are only doing the evens. You only are doing the evens, and you do not need to turn in this homework to me, okay? But you are doing the even questions. And of course, if you have any other questions, let me know. I'd love to be able to help you out with that. So that is for math today. Then we're going on to reading. You're reading for 30 minutes once again. You could also use this time to work on your book report project if you need to. The other thing is you should be studying your vocabulary unit 17 vocab words, so that way you are ready to go to the quiz that is, or to do the quiz that is coming up this coming Monday, a week from today. All right, so that's for reading. Then for science, we are starting our ocean animal research project. So a couple reminders about that. Number one, I've printed off the pages here just for you to see, okay? But you really need to make sure you're watching this first page here. This first page here has all the steps you need to do. So number one, do this. Number two, number three, number four. So this is not something that's in a workbook. You're going to have to go to LMS and go to science. Now, I've also posted another video in science about this project, about all the details of what you need to do. So watch that video. Also, you can download all these papers in the PDF form. Do that also. You don't have to write your answers on these pages, but it'll walk you through what you need to do for the project, okay? You're going to be working on this for this whole week and next week. That's going to be our last science project. It is going to be worth a test grade, so make sure you try your hardest and spend enough time on it. I would say about a half hour a day on this project for the next 2 weeks, just during the school days, will get you done with this project, all right? And if you have any other questions, please let me know. So you're working on that. All right, then for Bible, you have a quiz today, your Proverbs 16:3 Bible verse quiz. There's 2 options for it. Number 1, you can write down the verse and what it means to you in your own words, and your parents or you can send me a copy of it and I will grade it. Or number 2, go to LMS, go to Bible. You will see a quiz that I have made where you fill in the blanks with the missing words. You can take the online quiz or write the verse down on a sheet of paper and send it to me. Either one, totally fine. You decide. So that's our Bible today, our quiz. Then for spelling, you're also taking week 31 test. This is the last science assignment you have for the whole year. This is your last test you're taking today. No more workbook pages. Way to go. So for that test, there's 2 options again. Number 1, you can take week 31 test on a blank sheet of paper. Your parents tell you the words, you write them down. Or 2, you can go into LMS, go to spelling. You're going to see week 31 test. You can take an online version where you pick the correct spelling of the word. So either option, you decide. All right, and then for optional fun down here, you get to take a tour of the International Space Station. So go to LMS and go to homeroom, go to our weekly schedules. It looks just like this. We're on week 2 here. You can go to the bottom where it says optional fun and click on that link. All right, and then you get to take a tour of the International Space Station. So that is what you're going to be working on today. Remember that next week, you either need to set up a Zoom appointment anytime, any day. Just let me know, we'll make it work for you to do your book report presentation, or you can have a parent or somebody else record you doing it and send it to me. But if you're going to set up an appointment to Zoom, just you and me, just us 2 together Zooming, please let me know so I can get you scheduled for that next week. All right, guys, have an awesome day, and don't forget our Zoom today at 11 o'clock. See you then.